I'm glad you haven't bought a bike, because nor have I. Rabbit in the head.
Me again?
What's our mate's name in the pub?
I didn't ask.
No, I didn't ask. He knows who we are now.
He knows where we are as
Yeah.
well. Oh, it's funny.
For some reason we haven't brought our bikes.
Why did we agree?
There he is, look.
I'm here, but I don't understand why we're doing it.
We won't have to do it again, will we? We're taking a shortcut in the woods tonight. We're gonna turn off up here, or if we don't get run over. That's what we need, a camper van.
Yes.
We've got to cut across a field up here, so we're gonna do a little recon, dim the lights and go for it, aren't we?
Well,
Keep facing that way.
Yeah.
Make pretend we're walking that way. Yeah. The campsite's about 3 miles down this way, Jay. Keep going.
Oh, fucking hell.
Right. Fire. Oh shit, we've got one cut. Where are you? Oh, you're behind me. I didn't know where you'd gone. Fire up your laser. I don't think there's any sort of path. Oh god, it's a bit boggy, isn't it? Right, I think we're set up. We've got a tent over there. We've got a bivy bag up on the edge of the field because he's quite stealthy sitting up there. Jay's drilling himself a new one. Oh, was this
This
the
is,
whole?
Yeah. I keep looking for that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Why?
Why? Yes.
This is almost version on bushcraft.
Yeah, this is something else, isn't it?
Yeah. I might employ that tactic another day, I think.
What, being bushcrafty?
Yeah, making a stick wall. Nordisk Svalbard tent again tonight. Just come back to get my neck thing because it's a little bit chilly. We'll go and have a look at what Jay's sleeping in a minute.
I've got to be careful not to shine the light in the field because I'm on the edge here. As you can see, it's like an open field there. We call this farm view because there's a farm pretty much over there. And I'm sleeping in my a Snugpack Stratosphere, which is essentially a body bag, but super comfy, super snug, super warm and waterproof.
Can't see mine. That's over fueling, look.
Yeah, that's what I've done.
I've gone for this system because it's a bit windy and you can burn through a lot of fuel if you let the wind get at your alcohol stove. So I've built a wooden erection, would you call it?
Mighty erection, I would say. Mighty erection.
Burgers over here. Burgers over there, Jason.
The burger night. How many burgers that then do you have, Jamie? Be honest.
Trez.
How many sins have you done today? I know gluttony is one of them. Dong. I tell you what, your little beer candle, pretty luminous.
Look, kill the lights.
Oh, hang on, that's easy to
Look at that.
Hang on, I've got to do my... Yeah, that's pretty good, isn't it?
Burger 1.
Burger 1. God, weighs a ton, that. Considering it's only a 4-ounce one, it feels quite heavy.
Do you know what time it is?
7:45.
Try again.
8:15.
Try again.
About 10 past.
No, it's ale watch, you tool.
Oh! Literally. I was waiting for you to say, you got that bloody phone out again?
Right. We have... Oh, if I point it on here. We've got a Northern Monk, a Heathen,
Yeah.
hazy IPA, 7.2%, son.
Oh.
Damn.
That's my only one that I bought.
Oh, pardon me. Oh God, that's a bit of a noise. I've got a Beavertown neck oil. That's a set. You can have a session on that. You can't have a session on one though, can you?
You can't.
Right. Right, here she goes.
I can at least ask you where you're going. That's
Good.
always a good joke.
Could do, yeah, but if it's after asking you what the time is, we're going nowhere tonight, are we? Right. And I've got a brew dog, and this is a triple hazy. Do you want to know what the percent is on this?
I'm going to go 6%.
Can't see it on there. 9.5.
No!
Yeah, look. Turn him around that.
That'd be Jamie later after drinking.
Just to know.
Let's just make up some shit.
Just to know. You were there. This is what we should do on the split screen.
Yeah.
When we're in our tents.
I'm not going to be able to do that tonight because I haven't got a tent.
It's not going to come out very well on that camera, is it? Look.
Once a year, make special meal to impress the subs, like fish, and then stink out your.
Then you have to suffer the consequences, don't you?
Stink out your tent because I'm a mouth breather. Burn just sticks, and then go back to burgers and wonder what the hell that was all about.
And then don't appear in a tent.
Yeah, and then do that upside down, but that's all right. Look at that, look. We're good at this.
Close up. Nice. The fire.
You got some of that glorious coke, haven't you?
I have. Are we doing that after?
Yeah, no, I'm just I'm doing that.
walkies.
What I'll do is I'll take out. Oh, no.
Are we walking?
Yeah, we do walk about.
I've got to eat my last burger first.
Yeah, eat your burger, then we walk about, then we
we'll...
light a fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, along those lines. I'm going to take this little thing. Oh, bollocks.
What'd you say?
Just saying, oh, I feel like I need to stretch my legs a bit. Oh, look at that bad boy, look. Hey. Don't go in there.
I'll put a 20 on him.
You'll get cooked.
We are...
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Wind's picking up. We've got fire here ready for when we get back from walking about, and we've got this, which is our new thing, isn't it, mate? We're going to be making many of these. And we've blocked off the end of the tarp here, so JB's cosy. Right, come on. We'll put that on when we get back.
Come on, begrudgingly. Let's get this fuck up. I feel like I'm going to step.
Yeah, just be careful because this was the badger set out here somewhere, wasn't it? Oh yeah, we haven't looked at this yet, have we?
Yeah, I've already done a little intro.
Have you? Oh,
Yep.
very good, nice.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have a look as well.
Drop that bad boy to you.
Yeah. Dug in there like an Alabama tick. Yeah.
Are you on grass tonight?
Yes. I never smoked AstroTurf.
Got a confession to make.
Yeah. You had a few in the pub.
And that, you know the ale watch thing?
Yeah. Ah.
Oh yeah. I got some 5-finger death punch, whatever they call it. Good stuff. But, oh, look at that. Talk about to the brim.
Should we go and start a fire?
Yes, do it.
Look, you can see our
Yeah. But you won't
light
see
in
it.
there.
You won't see it. So you'll see it down here, but you won't see it from there. So I've left a little hoop in the middle there, so we're restricted what wood we can just shove in that thing, really. But
Oh right, yeah. Well,
should have
it's all right at the minute.
yeah, it's fine.
You right there?
Hello.
I'm gonna turn in.
I can see you.
Really?
This seems like a really good idea.
What's that?
These this bivvy. It's like crikey. The good thing about tents, you can just like
Get in and then.
yeah.
I've got to find my way back now. Ugh. At least we're not near the badger set.
Yeah. Well, that's not far away.
That's sort of down and up, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Right. I'll when we're both in, I'll give you a shout. Oh, he's ignoring me already. Right, I'm gonna get in here. Looks quite homely. Are you in? Are you in? Oh, good. I didn't hear you first time. Are you close? You're very loud. Are you close? You're very loud. Ah. Morning. Here he is.
Hello.
I think he slept better than I did. I've slept, but a bit broken. Sleep, not mentally broken. Yeah.
Have you seen my white monkey that turns into a flying horse?
Not this morning.
No. That was my dream.
Hold it there, and then Farmer John comes round the corner into shot.
I was going to say that flame was licking out there.
Yeah, that was.
Knuckles. I'm not going to be clever today. I mean, I am going to be clever.
You wouldn't have been able to put that pan on your lap, would you?
No. I got this idea off, I watch a YouTube channel with Jamie does wild bikepacking, and he always has a little seat pad cut out, and he was kind enough to send me one for just $10. If you hit the donate button, he'll cut you out one as well.
Plus shipping.
Yep.
How did this work out, Jason?
Well,
I'll put that on the floor, mate, to do that.
I want my money back, that's what.
Ah,
I just cook it like that.
that has been done.
Oh, that's on there. Oh, it's on there, man.
You're going to have to cut round it.
It's just one little spot. Did you super glue this? We've got a walk. It's quite a long, laborious fucking walk there, isn't it?
We are packed and ready to ship out. The absence of bicycles is a bit strange. All in bags for this one. So we're going to nip across the field and hopefully not get shot.
Yes. So,
Anything to see?
Nothing.
No,
Nothing.
nothing to see. I was over there on a death slide hill and he was over there.
I was really. I thought for some reason I was miles away from you, and when I looked over, I could sort of you were literally there, weren't you?
Yeah, I couldn't see you in the night when I had a peep out because you were quite low there, weren't you? Right, shall we hoof out?
Yeah. You didn't get.
Do you reckon that happened last night?
Yeah, that's fresh, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, look at the. Look, see the badger prints, look.
Yeah.
The Wolverine, man.
That's pretty close, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Get spring watch here.
Look at that. Look how deep that is. They're well impressive, aren't they? I love that though.
Yeah. That's all fresh. I'm sure when we walked along here last night I didn't see any of this.
Honestly, because we would have put
that.
a blooming foot in there, that'd turn your ankle.
Yeah,
wouldn't it,
blooming
eh?
heck.
Eh?
And there a film, I'm sure I've seen a film where a badger bites somebody and they get rabies.
I think
It's not called rabies, is it?
there was a show that in the 80s called Rabies, yeah, and it scared the crap out of me when I was at top.
You get rabies, that ain't a good look.
And also, it's one of the most painful antidotes.
Alright.
So you have to have numerous injections straight into your stomach.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's really, really bad. So
I just filming you walking up here.
we're going to play Sad Hulk music.
When I get a newer one, you get a screen on the front and you can
So you
see
can
it
see it,
ticking
yeah.
away rather than having to keep getting up in the Q&A.
Look like you're leaving the room every 5
There will
minutes.
be a Q&A video coming up soon. Don't miss that one.
So sincere.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I did. What, the Q&A or the whole camp?
Oh, the whole camp.
Yeah, I really did.
Normally we're whizzing down here, aren't we?
Yeah. I don't know about this walking thing, but
No,
for winter it makes sense really because it's just everything's there.
bit of a novelty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right,
Yes.
I'm going to call it here. Oh, I can hear a car coming. No, right, I'm going to do a quick twirl. Yeah. Send the GoPro into this Ovlov. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Bye.